So I remember I was in my junior year of college. I was taking a class on Romance languages, the history of Romance languages, and one of our assignments was to read an encyclopedia article about Jewish Romance languages. And I had heard of Ladino, but I hadn't heard of Judeo-Italian, Judeo-Portuguese, Judeo-Provencal, and this article mentioned these, and I was like, oh my God, that's amazing. This is what I want to do with my life. I want to study Jewish languages. And so I got interested in it. I started reading. And before that, I had kind of assumed that I would become a Yiddish teacher because I was really interested in Yiddish. But this made me excited about the academic study of Jewish languages. And so I decided to pursue that. And then in my reading, I realized that the Jews around me today are speaking a Jewish language, Jewish English. So that's how I got interested in studying the Yiddish influences on English through Jewish languages, which was through Yiddish, which was through klezmer. So it's kind of a big line from klezmer to my current research. And so I did my undergraduate thesis at Columbia about how the Orthodox Jews at Columbia University speak English with Yiddish and Hebrew words and other distinctive features. And I analyzed that as a Jewish language based on other research that I had read by David Gold and Saul Steinmetz, who argue that it's a Jewish language. Then I got interested in studying how non-Orthodox Jews speak English. Well, that was a little later. I guess in grad school, I mostly studied Orthodox Jews and did my dissertation about Balei Tshuva, newly Orthodox Jews, and how they learn the English in the Orthodox community, how they learn the Yiddish influences. And that's coming out in a few months as a book called Becoming Frum, How Newcomers Learn the Language and Culture of Orthodox Judaism, and that's Rutgers University Press. And so then after grad school, I became interested in non-Orthodox Jews, partly because I work at a reform institution, Hebrew Union College, and I got interested in studying non-Orthodox Jews, and especially actually Jews in general in America, and how they use Yiddish words and Hebrew words and other constructions like I don't know from that, or staying by them, or I want that you should do this. So I started listening for those and reading about those, and then also I did a survey about Hebrew and Yiddish words and constructions and other distinctive features of Jewish English. And it was an online survey. We sent it to 600 people or so, and we got over 50,000 responses. So this is, even though it's not a random sample, it's a huge sample of American Jews and non-Jews. That really allows us to understand trends among American Jews in the Yiddish words that they use.